This is Grand Vegetable Market, Islamabad. Today, tomato from Peshawar and Mardan is selling about 50 rupees, 50 PKR per kg in vegetable market of Islamabad, Pakistan. 50 rupees per kg. This is lemon of Sindh, Ladkhana, and about 160 rupees PKR. 160 rupees per kg PKR. This is garlic, original garlic of Charsadda, Mardan and Sawabi, the city of Pakistan, and selling about 200 rupees per kg in vegetable market. 200 PKRs. This garlic about Quetta city of Balochistan province of Pakistan, and the price of this is 300 rupees, 300 PKR per kg. Ginger of Thailand, the beautiful, and its price today 850 rupees per kg. 850 rupees per kg. The ginger of Thailand is selling in Pakistan. This lady finger of Punjab, South Punjab, Kamalia city, and its price today is 50 rupees PKR, 50 rupees per kg in Islamabad vegetable market. This is cabbage, Pakistani cabbage, and today's price is 40 rupees PKR per kg in vegetable market. 40 rupees. Karela, the Karela of Punjab, a beautiful and delicious and best for sugar, diabetes diseases, and its price today is so down, about 60 rupees, 50 rupees and 70 rupees in vegetable market per kg PKR. This is pickle mango, and about 60 rupees per kg in vegetable market. 60 rupees PKR per kg. Pickle mango, the beautiful and green, it's hard mango. This is green chili of Faisalabad, and its price is 80 rupees per kg in Sabzi Mandi. 80 rupees per kg in Pakistan. The best green chili of Faisalabad city of Pakistan, Royal City. This is red eggplant, black eggplant, and its price is 50 PKR per kg. Mashallah, the beautiful. This is gift of Faisalabad city. Carrot of Faisalabad, and this price is 100 rupees, 100 PKR per kg. Mashallah. This is pumpkin. Its price is 60 rupees Pakistani rupees, 60 rupees per kg. Pumpkin is beautiful and fresh vegetable and beautiful green. This is cucumber of city of Faisalabad, and his price is 50 rupees per kg. This is beautiful and fresh vegetable. Cauliflower of Mansehra city of Pakistan, and price is 160 rupees. This is expensive. 160 rupees, mashallah, PKR per kg. This is Arvi, and the gift of Punjab, its price is today 160 PKR. This is expensive. 160 PKR per kg. So my friends, goodbye.